Our veterans are taught how to stitch up physical wounds, but experts say they don't know how to mend the mental scars that come with serving their country. That is what Rosecrance Behavioral Health hopes to address. WIFR News reporter Sydney Stoffregan talks to a leader at Rosecrance who says it's their mission to improve access to care and remove the stigma around mental illness.
The U.S. Department of Veterans Affairs reports its crisis line gets a record number of requests for help from veterans, highlighting the need for additional services across the country.
It's okay to not be okay.
As soldiers serve our country, the emotional wounds they receive can sometimes hit deeper than any weapon, according to mental health experts. That's where places like Rosecrance Behavioral Health step in to address the barriers that limit a veteran's access to mental health services. The organization's president, David Gomel, says we need to serve those who served us.
Veterans are a unique group because they're trained in a very specific way to maybe not ask for help. When they're suffering, sometimes the consequences are very dire. So we want to make sure that we have the services here at Rosecrance to help all of our veterans who need that care.
Ruben Hernandez served in the Army National Guard, where he toured in Vietnam and Desert Storm. Now he fights a different battle at the Roscoe VFW, reaching out to struggling comrades. The government estimates more than 40% of veterans are in need of mental health care. Recent studies show more than half of them don't get timely treatment.
It's our job to always be there and help them out. If you're helping a veteran, you're helping families, children, and other people within the community.
Gomel says an alarming number of veterans face homelessness and various emotional disorders. He believes the more we fight the stigma, the more barriers we break.
We've created an entire system to make this navigating our system easy for you. We have wonderful employees who are completely dedicated to your service. Please just call. Here at Rosecrance, we want to help you.
Rosecrance's Veterans Program provides residential, outpatient, and crisis services, all in the name of treating substance use and mental health disorders that affect some of our country's heroes.
Thank you, Sydney. And just weeks ago, the U.S. Department of Veterans Affairs announced that in 2024, it delivered more care and benefits than ever before, including a 6% increase in health care access for veterans.